Hello everyone. Today I am participating in a collaboration and the name of the collaboration is I Love Your Style. And the host of this collaboration is the beautiful Kaye of Kreating with Miss Kaye. And the co-hosts are Lady Cinnamon, Mari Keys, Happy Home Decor, Debby Bubbles, Shawni on the Spot, Creations by Simone, Inspired by Chanel, Gigi Faison for the Love of Decor. And these amazing ladies' links will be listed below in the description box. Please go and check out their channels. They are also a part of the playlist, so don't forget to check out the playlist for today. So guys, it happens to be the host Kaye's birthday. How about we wish her a happy birthday on today? Don't forget to say happy birthday down in the comments below. And happy birthday once again, Kaye. And so she is asking us to choose one or more home decor creators whose style that we love and that we would like to demonstrate in our video on today. Well, I happen to choose one, and it is the lovely Miss Paulette of Summer Breeze Country Cabin Living and Everything Paulette. I just wanted to make it clear that that happens to be two channels. Yes, she has two channels. One is the Summer Breeze Country Cabin Living, and then the other is Everything Paulette. And on the Summer Breeze Country Cabin Living, her content is regarding her new cabin house. She is decorating, she is thrifting, and she is doing some upgrades to make her new home, her new house, a home. So please check out her channel. Her channel will be linked below in the description box also. So guys, the second channel, which is Everything Paulette, and that is mainly her cooking videos. I'm telling you, if you have not checked out this channel yet, you need to. I love this channel because I have learned so very much with her cooking style, and it has inspired me greatly. She is an excellent cook. She has always been an encouragement to me. She reached out to me when I started my channel and gave me great advice and support. I really love how she puts her heart and soul in her cooking. All of her Bayesian dishes look delicious. So today I chose to cook my family's favorite dish, and that dish is candied yams. I have to say that this dish is not for those that are on a strict diet or for those that are watching their calories. However, it will make a great side dish or a nice dessert. So let's get started. So guys, here are the ingredients. I have a glass rectangular pan to cook the potatoes in, and then 4 large potatoes. I have maple syrup and log cabin syrup. You can use either one. I'll be using the log cabin syrup today. I use pure vanilla flavoring, extract I should say, and cinnamon, nutmeg, a measuring cup for water, regular white sugar, and then our dark brown sugar. I prefer the dark brown sugar as opposed to the light brown sugar. I think it just gives it a better color. And a pot to boil the potatoes in, as well as the jet puffed mini marshmallows. This is just an option. You don't have to have the marshmallows if you don't, but my family loves the marshmallows. So these are the ingredients that we're going to be working with on today. So guys, we'll also be using aluminum foil to cover the pan while cooking, and these are the measuring spoons as well. So here guys, I prefer to boil my potatoes as opposed to peeling and cutting them. This is just easier for me to do. It's easier for me to peel, and so I'm going to pour enough water in to cover up the potatoes, and then we're going to start the boiling process. so the potatoes have been boiling for approximately 40 to 45 minutes. They are large potatoes and they're just right. And so if the fork is able to go through the potato easily, then they are ready. And so we're going to take them out of the pot and we're going to peel them. So guys, I have taken the potatoes out of the pot and I am ready to peel them. And as you can see, they are still hot. I'd like to peel them while they are still warm. It's a lot easier to get the skin off. If you wait until they cool, it will be a little more difficult to take the skin off. So I like to do it while they're still warm. And as you can see, I have a kitchen towel to protect my hands from the heat. So this is my way of peeling the potatoes. And as you can see, the skin is coming off quite easily. So here I'm just slicing the potatoes about approximately 1/4 of an inch thick and just preparing to, add the other ingredients. And I just wanted to mention to you that I will have the recipe located down in the description box below. So if you decide to, cook this dish for you and your family, it will be located there. And here I am just sprinkling in the cinnamon. I will be sprinkling in most of the ingredients as we go along. I don't measure as I cook. I know by eye how much to put in. And so if you notice that I'm not measuring, I'm not. And I just wanted to let you know that this is how I usually cook. But I will have the measurements listed below for your pleasure. And so the cinnamon and the nutmeg has already been added. And here I am adding the butter. This is a stick of butter that I have sliced and just, putting it in different, areas so that it will disperse evenly. And then the next item, I'm going to be adding the brown sugar. And as you can tell, I am using my hands. My hands are clean, guys. I like to disperse the brown sugar because it's easier to do it that way with my hands. And so just wanted to let you know that this is how I do it so that, the ingredients will be dispersed evenly. And now I am adding the white sugar with the spoon. It's a lot easier to spread the white sugar than it is with the brown sugar, okay? And now I am sprinkling on the pure vanilla extract. And then I am pouring on the maple syrup, trying to get every potato as I go along. And of course, we're going to cover up the potatoes so that they don't dry out. And at this point, you really should be adding your water. I add that on a little bit later in the video because I forgot to do it at this point. And you will see that in just a moment. So guys, we just want to make sure that your oven is preheated to 350 degrees. This will approximately cook for 45 minutes. And so here is where I realized I did not add the water, so I'm adding the water. So this has been about maybe 20 minutes in, and I have taken the aluminum foil off, and I am just spreading some of the juices on top of the potatoes, and we're just going to let it cook for another 15 to 20 minutes. So guys, after about 45 minutes, the juices are bubbling and it's time for us to put the marshmallows on. Now, when putting the marshmallows on, you want to make sure that you have turned down your oven. If you do not do this, the marshmallows will burn. So be sure to turn down your oven to about 200 degrees and allow the marshmallows to melt and to brown just a little bit. All right, so we are ready and moving along. So guys, this is the completed dish and it looks yummy. And so you want to allow this pan to cool for approximately 10 to 15 minutes. These potatoes will be hot. Let me say it again. They are very, very hot and the juices are very, very hot. So be careful when serving these potatoes when they come right out of the oven. So guys, don't forget to check out the playlist, and that will be listed below in the description box. And I want to say thank you to all of the co-hosts as well. I have enjoyed working with you guys in this collaboration. So once again, I just want to say thank you to Kaye for allowing me to participate in this collaboration. I had so much fun. And also to Paulette. Thank you, Paulette, for being such an inspiration to me. I really appreciate you, and I thank you for you taking out the time to encourage me. And again, to all of those that have been faithful viewers and to those that are new to this channel, I say welcome. Thank you for watching this video. I had a wonderful time, and I hope that you are having a wonderful day. God bless.